The Introduction to Windows 7 Desktop. This is a recycle bin which contains all your deleted items. This is a computer icon in which you have different disk drives and other hardwares connected to your computer. This is a control panel icon which is used to change the setting of your computer like system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, etc. This is a network icon that access the computer and devices that are on your network. This is a folder. To create a new folder, right-click and select New, having sub-option Folder. By this, you will get a new folder. To rename this folder, right-click and select Rename and give your suitable name. Below the screen, there is a taskbar. First is a Start button, in which you have all programs. This taskbar contains all open window. There is a calendar and time, which shows current date and time. To change the date and time, select Change Date and Time Settings. And press OK. To add gadgets on your desktop, click on Gadgets. To change your desktop background, click on Control Panel.